We are also actually backing into the cave. So this is our room that we had here in Siracusa. This is I don't remember what is the name of this place. Atrea, I think, or something like that. You will find it in booking.com with this exquisite wall. This was the cheapest one we found, 49 euros per night, and I got a discount because I'm a genius level 2 member. And the view outside, crude but works. It was quiet to sleep. We slept really well, but it was also because we were walking so much yesterday. Anyway, now we are heading to the boat trip to Ortigia. It's 1 hour trip that we booked already a week ago. So I'm testing my wrist wrap for the action camera. It's a little bit shaky. You can't really tie it very tightly around your wrist, but we are going to the boat tour, so let's see what's gonna happen. I can't risk having the camera on my hand and then losing my balance and gripping the side of the boat and then losing the camera. Let's see what's gonna happen. So we are going into the boat trip now, and we are going to the caves. I didn't even know that there were caves here.
Partiamo per il giro. Il giro consiste nel fare del quelle terzo. Adesso il 2018 è un albergo a 5 stelle e il nome
We are going to the cave.
collega la grotta col monastero che pratica Pochino. Prima c'è un tunnel di acqua, poi una scala a secco, un tunnel a secco e finisce possibile della grotta, del monastero. Let's get inside the Japanese cave.
We are also actually backing into the cave. Wow. This is amazing.
This is the roof. Oh my god. Yeah, seriously.
Abbiamo anche
Awesome.
parte anche di rocce sedimentari, arenarie. Quella sono posizioni di strade, dovute alle varie geologiche.
That was amazing.
Yeah, seriously. Awesome. Good Easter.
All right, so we did the boat tour. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the boat and the ocean, and the guy was handling the boat really, really well. And you thought it was nice. Anyway, it was good, and I recommend it. It gives you a good view of the island and the coastline and the ruins. And by ruins, I of course mean the old buildings.
And I think the cost is also cheap, not too expensive.
Yeah, we paid 20 euros per person. I was able to find a good deal.